Good morning. Welcome to the Conscious Courage podcast and sing it with me. Happy Motivational Monday. I am your host, Davone'a. I meet with you all every Monday at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to provide practical steps toward our inner healing journey, or what I've coined internal glow up. Whether you're here as a first-time listener or returning, thank you for tuning in. The team and I are grateful to every subscriber via YouTube and every listener via Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Google Podcasts, as well as Spotify. With a special shout out to all of our IGU babes keeping up with us on social media on all platforms at CC Podcast with DT. Y'all are locked in and we are too hyped to have you here, all right? Now, ensure to listen on through so you can receive those practical steps as well as any announcements that we may have. Let's dive on into today's episode. Hey, good morning, and welcome to the Conscious Courage podcast, where I am your host, and I am Davone'a. Let me tell y'all, okay, we have made it to the end of the year. This is the last Monday of 2024. For the month of December, our focus was, or is, from vision to victory, accomplishing our goals. And the goal that I had in this year was starting this podcast. I'm going to keep this short because it's the holiday season. Now, this gives you nothing but time to tune in. That means going all the way back to our very first episode, which is focused on our minds and our growth mindset. So go all the way back to episode 1 and then journey along into episode number 38, which you're watching right now, which is simply a thank you. Let me make sure I share this. The first 7 days of January, you can tune in every single day on all social media platforms. That's Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, not TikTok, or unless I can figure out how to do TikTok. But you can tune in with me live every single evening, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, for the first 7 days of 2025, because we're going to start this year off in prayer. I began 2024 in prayer, and I'll do the same thing in 2025. The only difference is I'll be live this time. You can send me any prayer requests that you have by direct message going to @CC Podcast with DT, or moseying on over to www.davoneatashay.com. That is www.davoneatashae.com. Ad break. Are you seeking an electrifying speaker to ignite transformation in your audience? Well, look no further. Hi, I'm Davone'a, real estate investor, Air Force veteran, and host of the Conscious Courage podcast, where new episodes are released every Monday, 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time via YouTube and all streaming audio platforms. I specialize in delivering impactful keynote speeches that inspire change and elevate your minds. Whether it's a virtual gathering or an in-person event, I bring passion, expertise, and a unique delivery to every arena or every environment that I'm in. Let's captivate your audience together and create an unforgettable experience. Contact me today to book your next event, and let's embark on this journey of transformation, or let's get all of your attendees on this journey toward internal glow up. You can book me via my website by going to www.davoneatashay.com. I'll spell that for you. It is www.DAV as in Victor, ONEATASHAE.com. I look forward to connecting with you. Take care. And I want to thank you because in the matter of 8 months, y'all, the YouTube channel went from 59 subscribers to 344 subscribers today. Thank you. The Instagram page, which I started maybe in May or June timeframe, now in December, we are at 124, if I'm not mistaken, followers or connections, family members, internal glow up babes out there. And on TikTok, we are at 100 plus followers. And then there's X, where there's only 11 folks out there, potential robots. But either way it goes, it's more than none. Facebook family, we're at 800 plus. Now, I'm not getting 800 plus views, so where y'all at? Type in. But I'm sharing all of this to simply say, even if it was one more follower, I am grateful for you all tuning in and supporting every single man and woman that has joined as a guest. I appreciate you. Everybody doesn't say yes. Everyone does not come on to the platform, and that's okay. The seat and the invite is always there. So I want to thank all of those who have given me the opportunity, who has given this platform the opportunity, and a thank you to those that will join in the future. God bless. I look forward to seeing you in 2025. I want to do something new. So the month of January, I will recap a lot of the episodes that I've published thus far, or that we've published, the team and me have published thus far. By that way, I'm working in the background, getting some new interviews done for you all, as well as bringing you some new surprises. I mean, maybe some merch. Anybody say merch? Maybe something else. I don't know. But you have to stay tuned to see month of February, because that's when I'm coming back with all the new content, y'all. We are discussing all things love. All right. The real, the gritty, having interviews with married couples. I'll share my testimony, or not my testimony, but my story in having a relationship that transitioned into engagement, that then in which we separated. So we're just going to talk about all things. I'm excited to go down this journey with you. And again, I'll see you in the new year. Take care. God bless. I love y'all. Peace. Disclaimer. As a content creator with a background in psychology and ongoing studies, it's imperative that I note and clarify that I am not a licensed professional. The videos and podcasts I produce are intended for educational, entertainment, and transformational purposes only. While I strive to provide accurate information and insights, it's essential to consult with a licensed mental health clinician or a licensed mental health professional for clinical perspectives and personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Your mental well-being is of the utmost importance to me, and seeking guidance from a qualified provider is encouraged for any concerns or issues that you may be experiencing.